goodbye. I love you too. Oh, don't you know, this heart of mine just beats for you. You'll always be the only one until I die. Don't say goodbye. When you're with me, I'm not afraid to face the world that is so cruel. Each time I sit by my window, imagining the night I was with you, I stare at the stars and its light remind me of you. But will you be true? 'Cause Marty, I love you. I think of you every day and night, and now I realize how I feel for you. But now you are with someone new. Though I can't, but I have to forget you. Love, though you hurt me, please don't desert me. Do what you want to, but please don't ever go. Don't break my heart, dear, by being apart. I love you so, so please don't ever go. If you go, it will make me sad. I can't help it but cry, and lose all the love we've had. If you say goodbye, malilimutan ko pa ba aking mahal ang maligayang araw nating nagdaan, habang ako'y nag-iisang nalulumbay. Ang alaala ay ikaw, ang ating suyo ang walang kasing tamis. Sa gunita pala ay ubod ng pait. Ang nagtampong pag-ibig mo'y di ko batid, kung minsan pang magbabalik. Kaya wala nang nalabi sa dibdib ko, kundi ang alaala ng pag-ibig mo. Asahan mong hindi ka na mawawala dito sa aking gunita. Kapag ikaw ang umibig at saka masawi, di mo ba daramdamin ito, tulad ng pagdaramdam ko sa'yo? At kung ito ang siyang tunay na mangyari sa baka naisin mo bang maglaho sa mundo? Gabi at araw ay lagi na lang ako ay nagdarasal, at ang dalangin ko sa may kapal, sana'y magbalik ang hirap. At kung ikaw